हम सबको पता है कि सेविंग मनी इज क्रूशियल. It's actually the backbone of financial security and the bridge to realizing our dreams. But still, जिंदगी की भाग दौड़ में saving often takes a back seat. But what if कि saving करना could be as simple as taking that sip of morning coffee? Hello and welcome to IND Learn. Investing हो या trading, insurance या taxation, we have 5-minute courses personal finance के complex universe को simplify करने के लिए. Bringing to you IND Learn, जहाँ आप 5 मिनट में free financial courses complete कर सकते हैं. And also get certified, that too for free. इस कोर्स में we have already covered what is mini-save and compounding via mini-save. तो चलिए let's finish this course with our last chapter, mechanics of mini-save. Also don't forget to complete this course and get your free certificate. कोर्स का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. To simplify this for you, let's take this course further in the form of an example. So meet Anjali, a young professional जिसे traveling का काफी शौक है. But because she lives away from home, she has to pay bills, rent, buy groceries, etc. etc. She often thought about how to set aside money for her adventures, but life's expenses always consumed her paycheck. रोज सुबह Anjali stopped at her favorite coffee shop and spent 200 rupees on a latte. She never realized कि ये रोज का खर्चा on coffee was quietly taking approx 6,000 rupees monthly from her salary. Money that actually could fund her next adventure. Here is where mini-save by IND Money comes in. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि कॉफी पर स्पेंड करना गलत है, but I am trying to show कि ऐसे हमारे दिन के कितने expenses होते हैं that we don't even realize, but उन्हें कम करके we can actually fulfill our goals and dreams a little bit faster. In the previous chapters, I've already explained कि mini-save क्या product है and इससे आप कैसे benefit कर सकते हैं with the power of compounding. So if you have missed it, head to the description to check out the videos. Still, to give you a quick recap, mini-save is a product by IND Money जहाँ पर आप as little as 25 rupees save कर सकते हैं on a daily basis. So your money gets collected into a savings pot. बेस्ट पार्ट है कि आप ये अमाउंट खुद डिसाइड कर सकते हैं, यूपीआई से लिंक करके इस पेमेंट को ऑटोमेट कर सकते हैं एंड वाइजली इन्वेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं. नाउ हाउ डज मिनी सेव वर्क? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सेट योर डेली सेविंग्स गोल. सो अंजलि डिसाइड्स टू यूज मिनी सेव. शी सेट्स अ डेली सेविंग्स गोल ऑफ 200 rupees, द सेम अमाउंट शी स्पेंड्स ऑन हर डेली कॉफी. It's a small step that promises to make a big difference in the long run. Second, reaching your savings goal. As Anjali continues with her coffee routine, MiniSave automatically deducts 200 rupees from her bank account every day via UPI and collects it in her MiniSave pot. Time के साथ साथ pot grows and quietly the coffee habit turns into a travel fund. अब आपके पास investment options क्या हैं with MiniSave? So, to understand this, MiniSave बस पैसों को स्टोर नहीं करता but gives you an opportunity to invest that money for you. आप वो पैसे from that savings pot invest कर सकते हैं in fixed deposits. जब अंजलि का MiniSave pot reaches to rupees 500, it automatically gets invested in a fixed deposit. So MiniSave does it all for her. No need for her to navigate the complexities of financial markets. Not only that, but आप stock market में भी invest कर सकते हैं. तो अगर आपको स्टॉक्स में इंटरेस्ट है, मिनीसेव अलाउज यू टू चूज स्टॉक्स टू इन्वेस्ट इन. जो इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट है वो डिपेंड करेगा ऑन द स्टॉक प्राइस. सो सपोज यू चूज एन ऑटो स्टॉक प्राइस्ड एट ₹200 एंड यू सेव 10 rupees daily. On the 20th day you will have accumulated ₹200 in your MiniSave pot. If on the 19th day the stock price falls to ₹185 and you have ₹190 in your pot, your money will automatically get invested as the pot size fulfills the stock amount. Similarly, अगर stock price increase होता है on the 20th day, the investment will occur when both the pot size and stock price align. But listen, आपको घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. Your money will be secured in a secure federal bank savings account until it's ready to be invested. Not only that, but आप अपना पैसा कभी भी निकाल सकते हैं. It does not have a lock-in. Plus जो पैसे आपने सेव करे हैं, आपको उस पर भी annually interest मिलेगा, irrespective of whether you opted for investing that amount or not. So MiniSave is here to simplify your life from spending to saving and investing. It's the tool that empowers you to watch your financial dreams take a flight. So why wait? Start your MiniSave journey today and turn your daily habits into a ticket to your dreams. And with that, it's a wrap. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको हेल्पफुल लगी होगी। द कोर्स लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो। Just complete a simple quiz, answer a few questions in 5 minutes and get certified for free. सर्टिफिकेट को आप अपने सोशल मीडिया और प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्क के साथ लिंक्डइन पर भी शेयर कर सकते हैं। There are over 15 financial courses that you can learn for free and grab your certificates. 4 lakh people have already taken these courses and we would love for you to grow your financial knowledge with your friends and family on INT Learn. The course link is in the pinned comment and description below. Still have a few questions or want to know more about MiniSave? Tell us in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next one.